The world took 200 years from its first industrial revolution to the third. China took 70 years to achieve the industrial modernization. However, from the first equipment to the first digital automation line, Chaint used only 20 years. Chaint Corporation, connect and create value for creators. Chaint are striving to become a technology-leading factory supplier with advanced intelligent technology for factory digitalization. Chaint started from supplying the first roll handling system in 1999. Till now, Chaint have become the leading supplier for intelligent equipment. Chaint insists on technology advanced, quality first, and service best. Strictly control every process to establish reputation worldwide. Innovation in research and development is the motivity of Chaint's development. Over the years, Chaint have been endeavoring to develop towards high technology and became a strong technical carrier to help customers in various industries to improve their digital automation. Chaint apply advanced concepts and technologies to product design, production planning, manufacturing execution, etc., deeply integrating digital modeling, virtual simulation, virtual reality, augmented reality, and other technologies. Finally, help customers achieve efficient and flexible production. Auto warehouse in digital factory, from data collection and analysis to real-time monitor of production process, to intelligent control and scheduling of material handling system, Chaint's information systems interconnect with smart systems to help customers transform towards digitalization. Chaint Intelligent Brain System is based on PLC control system, including a series of subsystems realizing the traceability of customer, order, and product data in the whole cycle. Information interconnection creates value. So far, Chaint have developed over 1,600 sets of intelligent system and auto warehouse for over 500 customers in 23 countries, covering pulp and paper, printing and packaging, textile and chemical fiber, tissue paper, rail transit, food and pharmacy, hardware products industries, etc.
未来我们将深入开展物联网、大数据、云计算、人工智能技术研究。
我们的目标是系统功能越来越强大，设备越来越智能，但操作维护越来越简单。
Chaint employees are committed to serving customers, exploring the market, seeking leaping mode development, and striving to become the leader of international first-class suppliers for intelligent systems.